Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I'm checking out a dashcam by Agaro. In the box we are provided a sticker. This is what you would stick to the car's windshield, allowing for easy removal in future. And we are provided two. We are provided a warranty card, a manual. We also have a power cable which has the car adapter on one end, and the cable is quite long considering it has to reach the windshield from the power outlet, and the other end is a micro USB connector. Here's the dashcam made of ABS plastic, and here's the sticker which you would use to mount the dashcam onto the car's windshield. Some details are listed on the front here. And here's the lens, and this dashcam has a resolution of 2304 by 1296 with an aperture of f2.1. Make sure to remove the protective plastic before use. On the other side we have an audio jack and the power button, and next to it is the micro USB port, and above that is a micro SD card slot. Micro SD cards up to 128 GB is supported by the dashcam. It's pretty light. Weight is only 71 grams. The lens can be moved up and down for the best view as per your car. Here's the speaker for all the status voice prompts from the camera and the recording status LED. We also have a mic here which records the ambient sounds. Let's install it into the car. I've installed the sticker, and now for the dashcam. Once powered on, the dashcam automatically activates its Wi-Fi access point, which works with the 2.4 GHz band. The password by default is 12345678. Select it from the Wi-Fi list on your phone, and once connected, open up the Video Dashcam Viewer app. The camera is detected and is added to the list. Now you can view the live feed from the dashcam. The resolution is 2304 by 1296, and the camera is rated to have a 3 megapixel sensor. If you have a memory card installed, we can view the recordings via the app, and this is how it looks. The recording is quite clear in bright light, and we can read the license plates on the vehicles. The exposure seems to be maintained quite well too. It has a 140-degree field of view. The dashcam also has a G sensor within, which if it detects a collision, it would protect the video file created so that you can recover it later. Night vision, it's clear. The headlights are causing light flaring, which is understandable, but it's still clear. You can transfer the recordings of the dashcam either by connecting to it via Wi-Fi or removing the micro SD card and inserting it into a memory card reader. So that was the Agaro Alpha dashcam.